What's up, Attorney? So, welcome to our mathematics channel, MATH-JASTIN's Mathematics Lessons and Techniques. So, now we're going to proceed in our lesson 9, and that is all about the circular function. So, by the way, baka may magko-comment na mag-new year na, nag-ano ka pa, wala kang bakit. So, okay, let us proceed to our circular function. So, ngayon, sa lesson na to, spoil ko na kayo, dapat kung ano yung mga natutunan nyo nung grade 9 kayo sa trigonometry, ayun ay i-discuss ko. Yun ay kailangan nyo ngayon. So, let us begin. So recall tayo. Ayan. Hindi naman ako ganun kano. Kailangan magre-recall tayo para refreshing your minds in this. Pero hindi ko i-discuss ng buong SOHCAHTOA. Ano? So, ngayon, SOHCAHTOA, that is only applied in a right triangle. Tama, di ba? So, now, this is your angle. So, this is called the hypotenuse. So, ano tawag nyo dito? So, tandaan, ang hypotenuse, it is the longest side of the right triangle or the triangle. So, kung nandito ang theta ng measure ninyo, ano to? Sige, ito muna. Ano to? So, this is adjacent side. Siyempre, yung ano nito, that is opposite. Okay. So, by finding SOHCAHTOA, so from the word SOHCAHTOA, in sign, so the sign, we have opposite divided by hypotenuse. So, sa cosine, ngayon, na-explain ko na kung ano yung SOHCAHTOA. So, we have adjacent and hypotenuse. And the tangent is the division of opposite and adjacent. Okay? So, para hindi kayo mahirapan sa para hindi nyo nakakalimutan. So, buti nga yun eh. Ito nga nakakalimutan. Buti pa yung crush, hindi nyo nakakalimutan. Ito eh. Ngayon, ito, ang hindi nyo dapat kalimutan. Kalimutan nyo na yung nanakit sa inyo. Wag lang to. Patay kayo pag nakalimutan ito. Okay, SOHCAHTOA. So, SOHCAHTOA. Diba? So, now, by its reciprocal of this, the opposite of sine is cosecant. So, this is it. Binaliktad lang natin. And the opposite of cosine is secant. So, ito yun. And, syempre, ang kasalungat ng tangent is cotangent, which adjacent is divided by opposite. So, kabaliktaran, mapapansin yung adjacent, dito ay napunta sa baba. Yung hypotenuse ay napunta. Ngayon, may pag-apply nga kayo niyan. Teka lang. Ha? So, ngayon, ang relation nito is the Pythagorean theorem. Kapag nawala, isa man sa tatlong mawala, ito ang gagamitin nyo na formula. Pero kapag dalawa ang nawala, hindi ito applicable. Ito ang gagamitin nyo kapag ang dalawang sides na ang nawala. Okay? So now, ngayon apply na natin sa circular function. So ito ang inyong circular function. So, by the way, kung naaalala nyo pa ba yung angles in a unit circle, dapat lang na maalala nyo kasi applicable dito. Kapag hindi naman, patay kayo. Hindi naman literal na patay. Basta patay kayo kasi hindi nyo naalala to. Mahihirapan kasi kayo rito kapag kinalimutan nyo. Yung crush nyo naman, kahit kalimutan nyo, wala namang mangyayaring, di ba? Luluwag pa ang inyong pakiramdam. Unlike dito, pag kinalimutan nyo, patay kayo. Na lang, bawi na lang kayo next slide. Okay. So, where R stands as the hypotenuse. So, by the way, this is the Cartesian plane. So, ang range, siyempre, di ba, pag yung angle, makaka-form siya ng circle. So, ito, siyempre, anong part na ng circle? Radius yan. So, this is your hypotenuse. Okay? And their x is adjacent. Obviously naman, makikita nyo rito. And your y is the opposite. Excuse me. So, it's Pythagorean theorem. Ito. Parang katulad lang siya ng equation of a circle. Diba? So, application of SOHCAHTOA in circular function. So, ito yan ha. Ito, yan. Hanapin niyo yan. So, in your sign, sa sign ninyo, we have sin theta is equal to y over r. So, syempre, opposite over hypotenuse. SOHCAHTOA. And the cosine, so ano ang adjacent nyo? Yung x at yung inyong hypotenuse is r. So that's why we have this. And sa tangent nyo, y over x. Or, bakit po y over x? Adjacent, opposite over adjacent. Okay, cosecant, so madali na lang paghahanap ng opposite or yung reciprocal. So, ayan. Binaliktad lang, di ba? And ganun lang din. Okay, ganyan lang to. Next, so math work number 1 to solve. So, find the sixth trigonometric function of angle theta if the coordinates. So, iba pong math work sa mathematics. Baka kala nyo end na to, ha? If the coordinates of point is in 0.34. So, ang x ninyo is 3 at ang y ninyo is 4. So, by finding the sixth trigonometric function, and ang nawawala ay yung radius. Okay, so by finding radius, ito. We have 3 squared. So, ang x nyo is 3. And yung y nyo is 4. Okay, we have 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So, find the square root of both sides of equation. So, we have r is equal to 5. So, yun na yun. So, by finding your SOHCAHTOA, okay, y over r. So, y nyo is 4 and your r is 5. X over r and y over x. Ayan ha, nakuha na. Next, ang kabaliktaran. So, madali na hanapin yung kabaliktaran niyan. Basta alam niyo kabaliktaran ni sine, ni cosine, saka ni tangent. So, madali lang kay tangent eh. Tangent, cotangent, cosine, sec. So, ito bali ganito, tuturuan ko kayo. Meron akong technique sa inyo. Para hindi nyo makalimutan yung reciprocal. So, number 1, sa part ni sine, so we have SC, CS, TC. By their widths of reciprocal. So, SC, CS, TC. Okay. Yun lang yung technique ko ha. Para hindi ko makalimutan. Nung ako'y nag-aaral ng trigonometry nung ako ay grade 9. So, examples including circular function. So, number 1. So, find the value of trigonometric functions of theta whose terminal side passes through 0.6 and negative 8. So, automatic yan ay nasa diba? Fourth quadrant. And now, ay kasasabi ko lang. So, solving for r. So, ayan. Then, ni-replace natin. At ang naging result niya is 10. So, we have 36 plus 6 negative, plus 64 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10. Since x is equal to 6, y is equal to negative 8, and r is equal to, excuse me, 10, then the value of the 6 trigonometric functions of theta are ito. So, we have y over r. So, y nyo is, so, lowest term lang. Ayan. Ito, x over r. Ito, sinimplify lang natin. Then, ito naman, dinanap lang natin lowest term, ha? Huwag kayo malito. Okay. Ngayon, binaliktad naman. Baliktad. Ngayon, baliktad. Ayan. So, by the way, this is negative. Okay, di natin nasunod. So, nawala eh. Negative 3 over. Okay, ayan. Inulit ko. So, now, example 2, proceed tayo sa number 2. So, find the values of sine, cos, given that tangent is negative 3. Paano pag ito ang given nyo? Paano po? Ngayon, since the tangent is y over x, so your y is 3 and your x is equal to negative 4. Okay, so, and r is 5. So, karaniwan naman ganito eh. 16 plus 9, 25. Square root of 25 is 5. Ngayon lang naman, di na rin bago. So, since the value of tan or tangent is negative, it is either x or y coordinate is negative but never both. Thus, there are two cases here. If angle theta is in quadrant 2. Kasi negative yung fraction nyo eh. It's either ang nag-negative ay y or x. Sine is, we have 3/5 and cosine is negative 4/5. if angle theta. So, dalawang situation ang ibibigay nyo. Kasi nga, negative yung nandito eh. So, ito. Yun lang. Okay, radians in circular function. So, teka, may na-discuss ba? So, by the way, meron nga ta ako nakakaligtaan. Oh, meron nga ba? So, eto na nga ba ang sinas? Eto, tama. Sige lang. Ayan, radius in circular function in your sign. So, kasi karaniwan may nagbibigay ng given na square root of 3 over 2, ganyan yung less than 1 in short. So, let r is equal to 1. So your sine is equal to y, your cosine is equal to x, and your tangent is equal to y over x. And opposite, your cosecant is equal to y over 1 over y. Your secant theta rather 1 over x. And your cotangent, the cotangent, teka. Sorry, ngayon ko lang napansin yung yung cotangent naging ganito. So, okay. So, proceed tayo. Ayan, cotangent. Edit ko na lang siya. Ngayon, ito yung given nyo. So, by sector. So, natatandaan nyo po ba yung sector? So, dapat lang na matandaan nyo. So, that sector also is equal to 1. Okay. Okay, ba't ayaw? Ay, naglalag yung ano ko. So, now, quadrant 1. So, ang inyong, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Sa quadrant 2, only the sign is positive. Ito naman, tan lang ang inyong positive. At ang sa inyo naman, at sa quadrant 4 naman, ay yung cosine. So, nung napag-aaralan ko pa lang ito, our teacher has a technique para hindi natin makalimutan o alin lang ba ang positive, alin lang negative. So, we have an acronym of ACTS. So, according to my teacher, in my pre-calculus teacher, okay, mapapansin nyo, we have ACTS. So, A stands for all the trigonometric functions are positive. C stands for the cosine is only the positive. And positive tangent and positive sine. Okay. That's ACTS for short. Next. Okay. Madali mo tandaan. Okay. Solve. So, find the remaining 5 trigonometric function of angle theta given that sine theta is equal to square root of 2 over 6 and its angle is in quadrant 2. So, quadrant 2, ano bang quadrant 2 natin? We have negative x and y. Ayan, di ba? So, we have this. So, by the way, baka makakaligtaan natin. Teka. Okay, so triangle nga pala, by the way, paano po natin ma-identify? Ganito po kasi yung sa triangle. Is ganyan po. Hindi pwede yung yung ganito. Siyempre, hindi pwede yun. Mamaya ituturo ko pala. Sorry. Mamaya pala yun. Okay, ito. Ito yung inyong given. Since your sign is consists of y over r. Ay, nag-sige pa na natin. So, basta ulitin na natin. So, we have negative. So, ang nawawala nyo is x. So, in your Pythagorean theorem is x plus y is equal to r. So, ngayon nawawala yung x. So, ilipat nyo yung y sa kabila. At kapag nag-plus kayo, magiging negative yan. So, ayan. We have 6 squared minus square root of 2 squared. And, ay, visit. Wait. Nasaan yun? Nawala. Okay, saan yun? Okay, ito. So, we have 6 times 6 is 36. Tama. And we have minus 2 is 34. So, find the square root of both this equation. Ito lang din. O, diba? So, now, in quadrant 2, ito nga yung inyong quadrant 2. We have negative x and y. So, therefore, we have negative square root of 34 and 2. So, in your cosine, so, since meron tayong sine, so, we have, so, your x is negative. So, we have negative square root of 34 over 6. Ngayon, ito yung result nyo sa tangent, hindi ba? Ngayon, rationalize. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng may radical sa denominator. So, you are going to rationalize and we have this. So, this is not, that square root of 68 is not divisible of negative 34. Kasi, kung ide-decimal value nyo yan, hindi yan 68, di ba? Nasa decimal point. That doesn't divisible to negative 34. So, ngayon, square root of 68. So, we have 2 square root of 17. Okay, or 4 times 17, and that is 68, di ba? So, pinactor lang natin siya yung factor na mayroong perfect square. So, ito yung sagot niya sa tangent. Okay, dito naman sa cosecant, cosecant. So, we have 6 times square root of 2. We have 6 square root of 2 over 2. And reciprocal, so we have this. At sa cotangent naman, so since square root of 34 is divisible of square root of 2, so divide and we have negative 17. So, saan ko po nakuha yun? So, baliktarin na lang natin to. Kasi pag ito yung binaliktad nyo, mahirap ang computation. And besides, ito na, kaya, and besides, mahirapan din kayo. Yung cancel out pa. Ngayon, ito na lang, hindi ba? Kaya pipili rin kayo ng i-reciprocal nyo kung saan yung way. Pero kahit alin naman siguro i-reciprocal nyo, tama naman. Di alin dito, ito o yung solution nyo, yung answer nyo. Kayong bahala kung kung gusto nyo mahirapan, doon kayo. Kung gusto nyo madalian, doon din kayo. Ano daw? So, math work 3, so complete the table naman tayo. So, find the 6 trigonometric function of the region pi over 6 and also find the value of x and y. So, radians to degree, so we have, yan, kung makikita nyo, so kung natatandaan nyo pa yung radians to degree, saan nyo siya i-multiply, ayan, yun na yun. Dapat tandaan nyo, kasi meron ganitong case. So, yan, cancel out nyo, so we have 180 divided by 6 is 30 degree. So, ngayon, find the 6, so, okay, ito ang inyong trigonometric function. So, we have sine, cos, tan. So, ang sine ng 30 degrees. So, gagamit kayo ng calculator, of course, dyan. So, sine, pindutin nyo yung sine sa calculator nyo, and 30. Ayan. So, we have 1/2. Cosine, ito, at yung tangent nyo, ito. Ngayon, sa calculator nyo, meron yung, pindutin nyo yung shift, tas yung sine, or shift plus cosine, shift plus tangent. Then, syempre, i-equal nyo yun para lumabas yung sagot. Okay, so, meron pa tayo at hinahanap din natin yung value ni x and y. Kung natatandaan nyo sa application of radians sa inyo dito, sa nakarang slide, ang cosine niya is equal to x at yung sine niya is equal to y. So, that's why we got this. So, automatic yung r natin, 1 yun. Hindi ko na pinahanap. Okay, reference angle. So, i-reference angle r for an angle theta in the standard position is the positive acute angle between the x-axis and the terminal side of angle theta. The values of the 6 trigonometric function of angle r agree with the function of values of theta except for sine. The sines of the function values of angle r are determined by the quadrant of angle theta. So, this is your reference angle. So, ngayon, paano po natin makuha yung reference angle? So, yung standard angle nyo, that is the angle that in the angle in standard position. Okay, formula use. So, sa quadrant 1, sa paghahanap ng reference angle, kung ano yung standard angle nyo, yun din ang inyong reference angle. So, yung red, yun yung reference. The standard use yung green. Green ba or light blue? So, light blue. Okay. Sa quadrant 2 naman, isusubtract nyo yung standard angle. So, isusubtract nyo yung 180. So, 180 minus the standard angle. Okay? Sa third quadrant, baliktad. Yung standard angle naman, ang inyong minuend. At ang 180 nyo is yung subtrahen ninyo. Okay, fourth quadrant, so it's almost 360. So 360 minus the standard angle. Okay, yun lang ha. Kasi, okay, sa reference angle kasi, ano pong purpose niya? Sa 1, ito ang inyong triangle kasi. Sa angle 2, ito ang triangle nyo. Andito yung right triangle. At yung sa 3, ito ang triangle nyo. At sa 4 naman, ito syempre ang triangle nyo. Hindi pwede yung triangle nyo na magiging obtuse. Kasi ano mangyayari dyan? Paano nyo i-apply yung SOHCAHTOA kung di yan right triangle? Hindi pa. So, ayan. So, your x still your adjacent and y is still your opposite. And syempre, yung hypotenuse, yung arc, yung radius. Solve for reference angle. So, number 1. So, subtract 1. Since nasa quadrant 2 siya, so 180 minus 135. So, we have 45 degrees. This is your reference angle. And ito naman, so, ilang beses siya multiply to i-add rather to 360. That to become it between 0 to 90, and that is 60. Okay. Ito yung lumabas. And since 60 is between 0 and 90. Ito naman, convert nyo muna to sa degree, and we have 150. So, since nasa quadrant 2 siya, so yung 180 ang inyong minuend at ito ang subtrahen. So, we have 30 degrees. So, syempre, since region ng given, dapat region din ang answer. So, ito yung sagot nyo. This is your region. Okay, so this is your circular function in unit circle. Okay, this is your unit circle and lahat yan ay naka-standard position. Okay, kahit obtuse yan, reflex, straight. Yan. Now, this is your, kala ko mativity. Okay, determine the 6 trigonometric functions of theta is equal to radian 16. So, hinanap natin yung sine. So, ito yung sine nyo at ito yung cosine nyo. So, tan. So, cancel out. Kaya siya naging ganire. Ayan. Math verse 6, ito naman. So, hindi ko na siguro kailangan i-explain. So, using their calculator, ito na, at kapag naman binaliktad nyo, yan. Okay, your activity is use the given figure unit circle to fill up the information needed in the table. So, your table is in the next slide. So, ito yon. So, may kinalaman dito yung activity. Okay. Kayo naman bahala kung gusto nyo. Kung ayaw nyo, di ba? Okay, this is your region. From region to cotangent. Sa mga nag-download ng aking PowerPoint presentation, ito, makikita nyo. For self-test lang naman, this is not essential naman to sagutan nyo. So, okay. Well done. So, this is my website. So, pwede nyo siyang i-browse. Kasi nandun yung aking mga provided class na pwede nyo pagbasahan ng aking provided file para sa lesson na yun. Okay. We are done in our lesson 9 in circular function. So, thank you for watching.